Here's some mac and cheese. Ew. Even the smell, like it gives me craft dinner. I really wanted southern food, but I wanted like candied yams and just like that sort of stuff. Found this place here. It's called Houston This Is Soul Food. But when I looked at the reviews, they said that isn't that great. And so I didn't want to risk the chance because I'm already Ubering down here for food. So I chose here instead. So the Uber pulling up, what are the odds that the two places are neighbors? I really wanted to try something from that kitchen. I'm happy they are beside each other because I'll go there to check out the candied yams and the mac and cheese. And I don't know the next time I'm going to be here. So today I'm a Houston hottie. A Houston hottie who only got 30 minutes of sleep / an hour. Anyways, I'm going to talk to you guys when I get my food. Look at the candy. The mac and cheese is gone. I don't want the mac and cheese if it looks like that. Ooh. They got a new mac and cheese. Show y'all the food. Barbecue chicken. This is oxtails. Fried chicken. Fried catfish. Meatloaf. Smothered chicken. I don't know. Greens. And I'm trying peach cobbler for the first time because I've always heard about it. Look how pretty it is. I like it. So first things first, sanitizer. Okay, so I got, let me tell you, and then I'll show you. I got barbecue ribs, smothered barbecue ribs. It includes rice and gravy. My two sides were mac and cheese and candied yams. And then I'm trying peach cobbler for the first time. And the total is $23.66. So enjoy. So this is how it comes packaged in a plastic bag and then in this bag. Oh, it includes cornbread as well. Peach cobbler, cornbread. Ooh, this food smells like not bad, good. So your Houston hottie's coming to you with a review. This is a rice and gravy. I've never had rice and gravy before. It's not bad. I think I would prefer the gravy with mashed potatoes, but that's because I'm used to it. Not really, but yeah. But I could eat this, especially if it was something I was used to eating as a child. I could continue now. The mac and cheese looks nasty to me. No pull. Ooh, Jesus, the smell. Oh, this tastes horrible. Oh my God, this tastes bad. Oh shit. Oh God. Oh my Lord. It tastes like, oh Jesus Christ. I hate this type of cheese. I knew it, but I had to still try it. Wow, this tastes disgusting. Oh my Lord. The taste is still lingering on my tongue. Oh my jeez Louise. It looks like I got like 5 pieces of ribs, which I'm not mad about. But the ribs go on top of the rice and gravy, so it doesn't make you appreciate the rice and gravy taste. You know what's crazy? Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese is way better. That's disgusting. Okay. Cinnamon is strong, but I think it's allspice or it's nutmeg. It's nutmeg. It's too strong. Ooh, Lord. We are traveling on a budget, and this is what I'm doing. Yeah. So the mac and cheese, -5 out of 10. They should have just left the food in the original state. The moment they started boiling it is when it went downhill. The rice and gravy, not bad. It's a good 5 out of 10. Candy yams is also a 4 to 5 out of 10. Thank you. Oh, customer service 10 out of 10. Barbecue sauce 7 out of 10. Now when I bite into it, it'll tell you if it's a 10 out of 10. It's too much food. Shit. The ribs are good. So it's 8 out of 10. First time trying cornbread. Oh, they're shaped like cupcakes. It smells good. Trying peach cobbler for the first time. Not bad. I don't know if people eat this hot. So I will rate this peach cobbler a 6 out of 10. Maybe if it was a hot, it would be a 7 or 8. I don't mind it, but because I had apple pie recently, I think I like apple pie way better. But I love how sweet it is. That mac and cheese needs to be taken off the menu. But yeah, here's the mac and cheese. Ew. Even the smell, like it gives me craft dinner. I wish the residue wasn't there. It's really disgusting to look at. Honesty moment. Houston, we got a problem. Oh, churches. I had it once. It was very disgusting. It was their mac and cheese that was nasty. Yo, these businesses with their mac and cheese runny, like what? Just take it off the menu. No pull, just water. Like it's just nasty.